Hello everyone again. Welcome in this section of the course. In this video we will know how to use Google Cloud IAM or Identity Access Management. In the previous video we learned what is Google Cloud Storage and how to create a bucket and share this bucket publicly. In this video we know what is Cloud IAM console and how to give access for another user in a project and how to remove this project access and how to add storage permission. So first of all, let's know what is the meaning of Cloud IAM. Google Cloud IAM, which is Identity Access Management, it gives you access control for Google Cloud services into a single system to present a consistent set of operations. Google Cloud IAM services lets you create and manage permissions for GCP resources. We will learn together how to assign a rule to a second user and remove assigned rules associated with Google Cloud IAM. So let's get started. First of all, I am now in Google Cloud Platform and I have two users. One of these users has a permission as a viewer and the another one have all permission. So first of all, let's go to Google Cloud IAM and admin from the navigation panel. As you can see, this is a permission for this project and I am using Quick Labs. Thank you Quick Labs for supporting me. As you can see, this is the project has a lot of permissions as owner and editor, and this account have a project as viewer. How we can see that? We can scroll down. This is the second credential for the second username and this is the first username. In the second username we have a viewer editor and the first username has a viewer and owner and editor rule. What is the difference between these rules? If we can create or add another user to this project level, we will see that there is select rule and there is a browser and editor and owner and viewer. So we can add another user. Let's say we have a project in Google Cloud Platform and we will already create a bucket in the next video and share the object which we uploaded in the cloud storage with another user. So if we have a project in Google Cloud Platform and we want share access to this project with another one, we have right below here the member and then select the rule. So let's have a look in this video what is the difference between these rules. The first one, browser rule, let you be able read access to browse the hierarchy for a project including the folders, organizations and also Cloud IAM policy. But this rule doesn't include permissions to view resources in this project. About the viewer rule let you have the viewer rule permissions for read-only actions that do not affect state, such as viewing but not modifying. So it lets you be able to view existing resources. And in the editor rule have all permissions for the viewer rule, but the editor rule give you plus permissions like modifying state and make actions to the resources. And the last one is the owner rule. The owner rule have all permissions for the editor and viewer and browser, plus managing rules and permissions for projects and all resources within this project. And also he can set up billing for a project. So this video we know the difference between the four rules in Cloud IAM, Cloud Identity Access Management, and the next video we will work with these two credentials. We will upload an object so in the next video we will create a bucket from cloud storage and upload an object and share this object between the two users. See you in the next video. Bye bye.